Hey there, high school students. Welcome back to Top 30 Education. I'm Buki Lawa, head of Almo Spring School in Lagos. And today, we are embarking on a journey to enhance your study skills techniques. I'll get towards helping you ace those exams. Before we dive into the meat of today's topic, let me introduce myself. I've been in the education field for over a decade, and I'm passionate about helping students like you reach your full potentials. I am dedicated to providing not just academic knowledge, but also equipping you with the tools you need to succeed in every aspect of life. Now, whether you're a freshman just starting high school or a senior gearing up for graduation, this episode is for you. We're going to break down effective study habits techniques in a way that is easy to understand and implement. Let's jump into the content. We'll start by highlighting some key study habits in numbers. From the power of the Pomodoro techniques to the importance of taking breaks, we'll cover it all. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of study hours, but the quality of your study sessions that matters most. Now, let's delve into specific techniques. 1. Pomodoro techniques. These techniques breaks your study sessions into manageable chunks, usually 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. It helps you to maintain focus and prevent burnout. 2. Active recall. Instead of passively reviewing notes, actively quiz yourself on the material. This reinforces learning and improves retention. 3. Spaced repetition. Review materials at spaced intervals to strengthen memory retention over time. 4. Mind mapping. Use visual diagrams to organize and connect concepts. This aids in understanding complex topics and enhance memory recall. And number 5, teach others. Explaining concepts to others reinforces your own understanding, and it helps identify areas of weaknesses. I would like to say mastering effective study habits and time management techniques is essential for success in high school and beyond. By implementing these strategies, you will not only improve your academic performance, but also reduce stress and free up more time for the things you love. Now, it's time for action. I want you to take what you've learned today and start implementing these study tips and techniques into your daily routine. And don't forget to share your progress and success stories with me in the comments section below. Let's support each other today on this journey to academic excellence. See you next time. I remain your host, Buki Lawa.